इंडियन हिस्ट्री बाय मनोहर पांडे बुक। सो एंशियंट इंडिया की हिस्ट्री पढ़ते हैं, एंशियंट इंडियन हिस्ट्री। ठीक है, तो मैं इसको कुछ जूम कर लेता हूँ इस तरीके से। ठीक है, तो सबसे पहले आया प्री हिस्टोरिक पीरियड, जिसमें आया पैलियोलिथिक पीरियड, पुरापाषाण काल, पैलियोलिथिक पीरियड। होमो सेपियंस फर्स्ट अपियर टुवर्ड द एंड ऑफ दिस फेज। तो इस फेज के जो लास्ट में जो है ना, होमो सेपियंस अपेयर हुए थे। ठीक है, प्रस्तुत हुए थे। तो पैलोलिथिक पीरियड, होमो सेपियंस फर्स्ट अपियर टुवर्ड द एंड ऑफ दिस फेज। इन दिस पीरियड मैन बेयरली मैनेज टू गैदर हिज फूड एंड सबसाइस्टेड ऑन हंटिंग। तो यहाँ पे जो था ना, जो व्यक्ति था बेयरली, बड़ी मुश्किल से, मैनेज टू गैदर हिज फूड, अपना खाना प्राप्त कर पाता था, एंड सबसाइस्टेड ऑन हंटिंग, और निर्भर था शिकार पर completely, distinguished by the development of the first stone tool made of quartz। तो यहाँ पे ये जो देखिए, क्वार्टाइट का जो स्टोन का जो फर्स्ट टूल बनाया गया था, किसका, स्टोन टूल, जो कि किसका था, क्वार्टाइट का। ठीक है, पैलियोलिथिक पीरियड इज डिवाइडेड इनटू 3 फेज। पैलियोलिथिक पीरियड को 3 फेज में डिवाइड किया जाता है, लोअर पैलियोलिथिक, मिडिल पैलियोलिथिक, अपर पैलियोलिथिक। निम्न पाषाण काल, मध्य पाषाण काल, उच्च पाषाण काल। अब आता है मीजोलिथिक पीरियड, मध्य पाषाण काल। डोमेस्टिकेशन, मीजियोलिथिक पीरियड में क्या हुआ था, डोमेस्टिकेशन ऑफ एनिमल, पर्टिकुलरली डॉग्स, स्पेशली डॉग, बिगिन एंड कैरेक्टरिस्टिक टूल्स, और कुछ महत्वपूर्ण टूल्स जैसे कि यूज्ड कॉल्ड एज माइक्रोलिथ्स। और यहाँ पे जो टूल इस्तेमाल होने लगे थे, उनको क्या कहते हैं, माइक्रोलिथ। भीमबेटका इन मध्य प्रदेश इज नोन फॉर एंशियंट केव्स डिपिक्टिंग पिक्चर ऑफ बर्ड्स, एनिमल्स एंड ह्यूमंस। जो भीमबेटका की गुफाएं हैं मध्य प्रदेश में, वो क्या हैं, एंशियंट केव डिपिक्टिंग पिक्चर ऑफ बर्ड्स एंड ह्यूमंस। ये मीजोलिथिक पीरियड की हैं, किसकी हैं, मीजोलिथिक पीरियड की हैं। फिर आया न्यूलिथिक पीरियड। न्यूलिथिक पीपल नो अबाउट फायर, न्यूलिथिक पीपल फायर के बारे में जानने लगे थे। ठीक है, न्यूलिथिक पीरियड न्यू अबाउट फायर एंड व्हील। तो न्यूलिथिक पीरियड फायर और व्हील के बारे में जानते थे, जबकि मीजोलिथिक में नहीं जानते थे। तो न्यूलिथिक पीपल नो अबाउट फायर एंड व्हील। एन इम्पोर्टेंट साइट ऑफ दिस इज बुर्जहोम, और इसकी जो इम्पोर्टेंट साइट है वो है बुर्जहोम, विच मीन्स द प्लेस ऑफ बर्च, विच मीन मृतकों का टीला, द प्लेस ऑफ बर्च। फिर आता है चालकोलिथिक एज, यूज ऑफ कॉपर। तो चालकोलिथिक एज में क्या होता है, यूज ऑफ कॉपर एंड स्टोन मेड टूल्स, यहाँ पे इस्तेमाल होने लगे थे कॉपर और पत्थर के बने हथियार। दे प्रैक्टिस एग्रीकल्चर करने खेती किसानी करने लगे थे। वेनेरेटेड मदर गॉडेस एंड वर्शिप द बुल, और मदर गॉडेस सजी हुई अलंकृत मदर गॉडेस की जो पूजा होने लगी थी, और बैल की पूजा करते थे। ठीक है, फिर आती है इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन। Indus Valley civilization is one of the 4 earliest civilization of the world. According to radiocarbon dating, initiation मतलब starting of Indus Valley civilization can be dated around 2500 BC से 1750 BC. System town planning was based on grid system. Burnt bricks were used, जो पकी हुई ईंटें थी वो यूज होने लगी थी टू कंस्ट्रक्ट हाउस बनाने के लिए। वेल मैनेज ड्रेनेज सिस्टम, फोर्टिफाइड सिटाडेल, हाई अर्बनाइज्ड एब्सेंस ऑफ आयरन इम्प्लीमेंट। तो यहाँ पे ये हाईली अर्बनाइज्ड थे, लेकिन यहाँ पे आयरन का इस्तेमाल नहीं हुआ था। एब्सेंस ऑफ आयरन इम्प्लीमेंट। नेक्स्ट है पॉइंट द ग्रेट बाथ। द ग्रेट बाथ कहाँ पे है? मोहनजोदड़ो। द ग्रेट बाथ सिचुएटेड फाइंड इन मोहनजोदड़ो। द ग्रेट बाथ फाइंड इन मोहनजोदड़ो was used for religious bathing. Was used for religious bathing. There were changing rooms alongside. There were changing room alongside. Six granaries in a row. One granaries are those container where we can store wheat, food like wheat, grains, etc. So they call granaries. The granaries in row were found in the citadel at Harappa. At Harappa, the towns were divided into two parts. The towns were divided into two parts. Upper part or citadel and the lower part Harappa were ruled by a class of merchants, as no evidence of weapons are found there. Indus people sowed new seeds in November and reaped their harvest in April. Indus people are sowed their seed in November month and they reaped it. They harvest the crops in April. तो नवंबर, दिसंबर, जनवरी, फरवरी, मार्च, अप्रैल, ठीक है। तो नवंबर इंडस पीपल शोड सीड इन नवंबर एंड रीप देयर हार्वेस्ट इन अप्रैल बिकॉज ऑफ द डेंजर ऑफ फ्लूड। तो द fear of coming flood is afraid them, so they will reap and harvest their crops in April. Produced wheat barely produced wheat. They were produced wheat, barley, rye, peas, sesame, rice, and mustard. But they did not aware of tobacco. They did not aware of tobacco. So produced wheat. They were produced wheat, barley, rye, peas, sesame, rice, and mustard. Indus people were the first to produce cotton. Indus people were the first in the world to produce cotton. This is the most important point in all. Indus people were the first to produce cotton in the world, which the Greek term as syndom. So which the Greek called as is Sindan, derived from Sindh. Animals known were oxen, sheep. Animals known on that time oxen, ठीक है, oxen, sheep, buffaloes, goats, pigs, elephants, dogs, cats, asses and camels. But there is not known of lion. There is not known of lion. They were known of oxen, sheep, buffaloes, goats, pigs, elephants, dogs, cats, asses, donkeys and camels, but they were not known of lions. Bell knit external and internal trade barter system was prevalent. Barter system is a type of system that where we in barter system one people give their articles to another people in exchange of his article. So there is, let's be suppose what is barter system. If I have a chocolate, so I give you a chocolate, and if you have a milk, and so you instead of that you give me the milk. So that is called barter system. There is no use of money, ठीक है। exchange, something like called exchange, ठीक है। So a very interesting feature of this civilization was that iron was not known to the people. The Indus people used weight and measure in the multiple of 16. The Indus people used weight and measures in the multiple of 16 in called today today's 10 gram equal to of these days 16 gram. So Harappans looked on earth as fertility goddess and public and phallic lingam and yoni worship was prevalent. Prevalent. Unicorn was the first worshipped animal. Unicorn was the first worshipped animal, and many trees, people, animals, bulls, birds, dove, pigeon, and stones too were worshipped, though no evidence of temple has been found. Dead bodies were placed in north-south orientation. Dead bodies were placed in north-south orientation. The seal of Pasupati depicts elephant, tiger, rhinoceros, buffalo. Two deers appear at the feet of Pasupati. Most important, the seal of Pasupati, the seal we found in Harappa civilization was called Pasupati, the seal of Pasupati. So the seal of Pasupati depicts have the picture of elephant, tiger, rhinoceros, and buffalo. Elephant, tiger, rhinoceros, and buffalo, and deer appear at the feet of Pasupati. The Indus people believe in ghost and evil forces. Evident by their use of amulets for protection against them. Fire altars are found at Lothal and Kalibanga. The greatest artistic creation of Harappa culture were the seal made of statite. The seal made of statite. Harappan script is pictographic and has not been deciphered yet. Harappan district is pictographic and has not been deciphered yet. The script was written from right to left in the first line and left to right in the second line. This style is called Bostofroden. Style is called Bostofroden. Occupation practiced by spinning, weaving, boat making, goldsmith making, pottery, and seal making. The possible cause of the decline of the civilization may be invasion of arenas, recurrent floods, social breakup of Harappans, and earthquakes. There is so many reason of abolition of Harappan civilization, but many of them is upcoming of Aryanas. Today's Hindus are Aryanas of that day, and recurrent floods and social breakup of Harappa and earthquake etc. are some of reason to being banished of Harappan civilization. Boundaries: North Mandu. What is the and to date country, there is also have a boundaries, like we have a boundary LAC with the Pakistan, and we have the boundaries of with the China, and we have the boundaries of with the Afghanistan, and so on. We have the boundaries of with the Bangladesh. So like that, in ancient time also, in the Hindu Sabhyata, all the Sindhu Sabhyata also have a boundaries, like North Mandu. What is the mean? North, that north, that north, that east, that west, and that south. So North Mandu, so there is Jammu and Kashmir, and there is Mandu. Mandu is the place of Harappan civilization. South Daimabad, Maharashtra is located there. So south is to Daimabad in Maharashtra. East Alamgirpur is there. East Alamgirpur, and West Sutka Gondor. Harappa. Discovery finding. Harappa site. So Harappa is the city of Sindhu civilization. That is the first city we find. So situated on river in river Ravi in Montgomery district of Punjab, Pakistan. It was excavated by Dayaram Saini in 1921 to 1923. The Indus civilization is named after it as Harappan civilization. Stone dancing Nataraj and Cemetery 37 have been found here. Mohenjo-daro, Mound of Dead, Mohenjo-daro, situated on river Indus in Larkana district of Sindh, Pakistan. It was excavated by R.D. Banerjee in 1922. The main building include the Great Bath, the Great Granary, the Great Bath, the Great Granary, the Collegiate Building, and the Assembly Hall. The dancing girl made of bronze has been found there. Found here. Pashupati Mahadev, Proto Seva, seal, fragment of woven cotton, etc. are finding there. So Mohenjo-daro is the also important of city of the Indus civilization. Chandhu-daro, Sindh, Pakistan. On river Indus, Chandhu-daro on river Indus, discovered by N.G. Manjumdar in 1931 on the Indus side without citadel. Bronze figures of bullock cart and ikkas, a small port suggesting an ink port. Lothal, Gujarat, discovered by S.R. Sri Rangrao Rao in 1954. Lothal in Gujarat, situated on river Bhogwa. This is the most important point because examiner asked us where is in which river Lothal situated. So situated on river Bhogwa, a part of town was divided into citadel and the lower town and dockyard. A dockyard, that is important. In dockyard, evidence of rice has been found here. So examiner asked you where is the evidence of rice has been found. So you said Lothal. Kalibanga, meaning black Bengals, Rajasthan. So discovered by B.B. Lal in 1961, situated on Ghaggar River. A plowed field, a wooden furrow, a plowed field, most important. Where is the plowed field found? Kalibanga. So a plowed field, a wooden furrow, seven fire altars, bones of camels, and evidence of two types of burials, namely circular grave and rectangular grave. They all are found in Kalibanga. Next, Dholavira. It was found on river Luni of Kutch district in Gujarat. Discovered by J.P. Joshi in 1967 to 1968. It has unique water management. System. Only site to be divided into three parts: largest Harappan inscription and a stadium. Surka Goddo, Gujarat. Discovered by J.P. Joshi in 1972. Evidence of forts found, oval grave pit burials, and seemingly a port city. Banwali, Haryana. On river Saraswati, discovered by R.S. Bist in 1973. Evidence of both pre-Harappan and Harappan culture. Lacked systematic drainage system. There is no systematic drainage system. Evidence of good quality barely. There has been found evidence of good quality barely. Barely is a type of wheat, like oat type. Those days oat type. Rakhigarhi in Haryana. Largest Indus Valley site. The Rakhigarhi is the largest Indus Valley site, and that is situated in Haryana. So today we discuss about Harappan civilization, and tomorrow we will discuss about Vedic period. So like Vedic civilization, etc.